We're live on location today. We're at one of our clients' installations. We're gonna show you the entire process from start to finish, from when we arrive to unloading, removal of the windows, installation of the new ones, to the client signs off and they're totally happy with their new EcoSmart friendly windows. So the first thing we do when we arrive, we knock on our client's door, we introduce ourselves, we ask them where we're allowed to set up. We've parked our truck. You can see the gentlemen are starting to unload the windows and we're about to get started. So as you can see, the installers have finished unloading the windows. Before they start the installation process, they always make sure they take care of your home. As you can see behind me, they're starting to lay down all the mats and tarps around the home so that nothing gets damaged on your floors. One of our very first steps that we do when we're getting ready to remove your windows is clean off all the old caulking. We make sure we remove everything and then begin the process of removing your old windows. Sometimes clients have blinds or shutters they need us to remove. So as you can see behind me, sometimes we install the jambs when we're on site. So once we remove the caulking, we're on the inside, we take off the casing, we start to hammer out the window and remove it to install the new ones. The most exciting part about this entire installation, as you can see behind me, above the main entry door, we have a massive window. It'll be exciting to see them remove it and install the new one. So as you can see, the old window's been removed, everything's been cleaned off. The installers have just installed the new window. They're gonna level it off, then they're gonna insulate it and put the finishing touches on the interior with the casing and caulk the exterior to give it a nice, beautiful finish. So this is the granddaddy of them all, the biggest window in the client's home. We've just built the scaffolding outside. Installers are getting ready. We're about to remove this window and prep to install that massive new window in the front of their home. So as you can see, it's a job well done. We finished installing this massive window in the front of our client's home. He's very happy with the end result. They're gonna stay nice and cool for the rest of the summer and be nice and warm and cozy in the winter with our EcoSmart Glass windows. If you're interested in replacing your windows or doors, give us a call or go to ecotechwindows.ca.